Page 157, Hark, Damon, Hark. It's part of a song by Handel, okay? And this is an example of choral music now. It's either a trio or a group of people in 3 parts. You see at the beginning of the stanza, you have S1, S2, and B, soprano 1, soprano 2, and bass. Okay. And there's no transposing in this because when you sing in concert pitch. Look it over 3/4 time with a pickup. I'm going to play each part separately first, and it's 1. Get that? I don't know if it was much of a melody, but I guess Handel knew what he was doing. Then the second sopranos. That's the second soprano. Then the bass, when they come in, second line. Sounds like a round almost, or contrapuntal music. And then the idea is, when you're working with them, can you play their parts? Well, experiment. Let's just try the top 2 lines, the sopranos. Last 2 lines. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a. Yeah. Just make sure they're each singing their accurate rhythm. Don't let them sing those dotted rhythms the same. It's here. Now let's see what the sopranos and the bass sound like together, because those are really the 2 parts you want. Now they don't actually start until measure 4, so let's start on measure 4. You're here. Yeah. I don't know, I suppose it's all right. Then if you can, try playing all the parts together. You can hear the whole harmony. Go slow. You know, you're not performing it here. You're just doing it here. I'm guessing either this is with an orchestra accompaniment or it's a cappella. There is no accompaniment. And when it comes to time to play the bass, you're probably going to have to play the 2 soprano parts in one hand if you can. Well, practice them that way then. Just do the two top parts in one hand. Here. And that's the tricky part when you get to the last 2 measures. You're going to have to be in this position. So. Tricky part. And if you can't play it, then don't play the notes. Just go, just leave it out and let the singers do it. Better than you playing it wrong and messing them up. Then we add the left hand to that if we can, the way this starts out. Here. Is that right? Yes? You just take it slow. You're not actually going to play all 3 parts when you're singing unless you practiced it a lot and you can play it with no hesitations or nothing. But the idea is you want to hear what it's going to sound like when they're not around. You can actually try and play the piece. And if you're really going to teach it, you should sing the parts. Now, you can't sing them up here if you're a guy, but you sing them down here still. It wouldn't hurt.